Hey, automotiveairbuilder.com once again. I got a really nice Mercury Montego Premier. This one is loaded up. It's got the xenon headlights, fog lights. This is a great riding car. It's got the 18-inch alloy wheels to it. 60,000 miles. Also has the code key on the side. Has the Parktronic. Has the parking sensor in the back. This is where you back up and you know what's behind you. Has the 60-40 split in the back. Also has the nice center console here. Put some napkins in there, anything you need, so forth. A lot of room. Has the rear vents here. Has pockets. Has even additional space for drinks in the back. Power seat on this side also. In-dash 6 CD changer. Look at that. Even has the clock in the middle. Very nice. More storage here. Storage. Dual climate. Has the rear Parktronic. You can shut it off. Has the traction control and so forth. Dimming mirror. Let me come around to the other side to show you. Keep in mind, this is a 2005. All the steering wheel controls there. Nice instrument cluster with the gauges and so forth. And this is the part I love also, is the fact that you can adjust the pedals with the flip of the switch. The headlights, and it also has for the fog light, you pull it forward. Memory seat, you have a 2-position. Load up those discs and so forth. Everything there for the computer. Wants me to close the door. Up above you have more storage for the, you got cards in there now, but you could actually put the sunglasses in there, and you have the home link for the garages at home. If you need more information, please give us a call. Come down, take it out for a test drive. Really nice car, and it's definitely worth the money.